The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for King County in northwestern Texas, southeastern Cottle County in northwestern Texas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a lane extending from 3 miles west of Chalk to 13 miles northeast of Jayton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, Guthrie, Grove, Chalk, and Hackberry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.